In this video, I'll show you how to add VST plugins to FL Studio 24. Alright, so after installing whatever VST plugin you have, what you want to do is go to the top left and click on Add. Then More Plugins, then Manage Plugins. Then you want to pick your file directories, so there will be the default ones in here. So unless you've made your own custom directories, everything should already be here. And what you want to do is just click on Find Installed Plugins. And once you do that, it'll load up for a little bit. And then in orange, it'll show you the new plugins on the right tab here. And just make sure to click on the star next to them. That way, when you go to your channel rack or your mixer rack, you will be able to see your newly installed plugin. So for instance, if I go to the mixer here, all my plugins will appear, and if I go to the channel rack and click on the plus, my plugins will appear. And that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.